Hi, this is Gore. In this video, we're going to see how to replace the bulb inside the side turning signal or the turn signal on the fender for this Perodua Axia. The sample car will be this year 2018 Perodua Axia 1.0G. So what you need to replace the bulb is just this simple. Alright, you will need a flat piece of iron like this. So I've taken this off of my broken desktop computer, because this part here is flat. You can actually shove it between the lamp housing to remove it. You also need a cloth to wrap around this so that the sharp edges do not scrape off the paint cloth, and then a replacement bulb. The replacement bulb is a T10 with amber coloring like this, or alternatively you can replace it with a T10 LED bulb with something like this. So let's get started to see how to replace the bulb. Alright, first what you do is just take this, wrap the cloth around the metal piece like just now, and then shove it underneath the lamp housing. Make sure that it does not accidentally pull off the front cover. I made a mistake. I accidentally damaged the one on the right hand side. So let's try this one. So when it's underneath there, just pry it up a bit, and then the housing opens out like that. Okay, so what you have to do now is just twist this one counterclockwise and then pull it out. Then this is the bulb. Just take it off by pulling it, and then when you insert your bulb, just be careful of the arrangement. So it goes in horizontal, so just push it in horizontal like this. Okay, once it's fully in, check to see if the bulb is working before putting back the cover. Alright, I have already turned on the hazard light. So the hazard light actually turns on the turn signal, so it's working. So all you have to do is just align back the groove on the housing with the pins at the side here like this. The easiest way to do it is to look for the paper sticker. The paper sticker is down here. Okay, and then the paper sticker is down here. So just this one, just align it this way. Align it this way. Okay, align the paper sticker this way and the paper sticker this way, and then twist it clockwise to lock it in. And then before assembly, make sure that this bit faces the front, and then this one faces the rear. Okay, so insert back the wire into the slot, anchor the back first, and then anchor the front. Once you have done that, the turn signal has been fully replaced. Earlier in the video, I had an unfortunate situation where when I tried to remove the turn signal on the right hand side fender, I unfortunately cracked open the housing like this. So now I'm going to do is I'm trying to attempt to repair it by gluing back this into the lens. So if you have the unfortunate situation with this kind of situation, and where you are still able to recover this, I shall try to attempt to repair it by applying glue onto the housing itself. So the place to apply glue will be along the inner edges, just a few drops on the inner edges. Okay, that means I'm trying to hold it in the camera, actually down the edges where my thumb is pointing to, this side and also this side. Now if you look at the housing, this one is the clip to face the front. So if you're looking from the right hand side of the car, it's going to be this way. And then the lens, this part of the lens which is clearer, it should be on the back, and then this one should be the one facing the front with all the line. That means this one goes like this. Okay, it goes like this. This one goes like this. Okay, I have to pause the video to glue the housing. I'll continue after successfully gluing them together. Alright, I have already attached it. Hope it stays. And then most important to keep this opening here open in case any super glue vapor would like to come out, they can actually exit from the opening down here. And then monitor to make sure that the lens doesn't fog up. The lens really fogged up, then unfortunately you have to get a new one in that case. So far, thank God it fogged up a bit. Looks kind of okay. Looks kind of okay to me. Let's compare and see. Because this is on the other side, so this is the left hand side fender, so yeah, it looks quite okay. Alright, so I've already put it in, and then let's put it back and continue the video. Okay, the gum has dried off, so let's put it back in. So again, this is the paper, the sticker, align it with this sticker down here. There's a paper sticker down here. Align it this way, and then after that, once you aligned it, trying to do it with one hand, then twist the lamp housing clockwise. So once the paper aligned, then you can now reassemble it back. So this one facing the back, so the back is that direction. So this one goes this way. So take this one, anchor into this opening like this. Okay, anchor the back, and then finally anchor the front, and then lastly test to see if it works. Okay. Alright, I've turned on the hazard, and then I've also remove and replace the bulb inside the side turn signal, and I also have show you the chance how to repair this lens if you have the unfortunate situation like myself where I accidentally pry off the cover instead of the lamp housing. So I hope this video works. Again, thank you for watching. To my next video, bye bye.